up, y'all? Happy New Year.
Goodbye 2020 and hello 2021.
So we wanted to come on and tell everyone, other than Happy New Year, some exciting news. I know some of you guys saw our post, well, Michaela's post, where she spilled the beans a little early. And if some of you along the way have kind of seen tidbits of information, but we are moving. Yeah! Now, lots of questions. Where are we moving to? Why are we moving? All of those.
You guys are going to think we're crazy, but
yeah.
just go ahead.
So, a little bit about our plans. So, we're going to be empty nesters this year. I don't even know how I feel about that. But Michaela is graduating. How do you feel about that?
It's nerve-wracking.
She's really nervous because, of course, you know, she's going to be entering adult life, and but we're really proud of her. She is graduating from Lincoln High School, and she'll also be graduating with almost 23 college credits. So she is currently enrolled at Lincoln High School and TCC. She's going to transfer over to State College of Florida and move to Bradenton, and she's going to move in with my mom. Love you, Mom! And be her roomie for a while. And Kayla has goals of entering the nursing program. Michaela, I'll let you tell them a little bit about kind of what's on your agenda.
So I want to go into the nursing field. My goal is to become a nurse practitioner in pediatrics, and it's a lot of schooling, but it will be worth it. And I'm considering the thought of becoming a traveling nurse so that I can still see the world, but also be paid for what I'm doing, but you don't have a total home. So that's definitely something I'm thinking about.
Yes.
That's what one of the couples do that we follow.
Yeah. So, and when we talk about one of the couples that we follow, you want to tell them what we're doing?
Yeah, so here's where the crazy part comes in. So we have purchased some property up in North Georgia, close to the border of North Carolina. It's about 20 minutes away from Murphy, North Carolina. It's called Blairsville, Georgia. It's right in the middle of the Blue Ridge Mountains.
It's so beautiful, y'all.
Now, when I say we purchased property, not like property of what you would think of. It's actually, probably most of you guys at this point know we do have an RV.
Oh, that's an RV.
Yes.
We're going to take this RV, move it to Blairsville, Georgia, and live in this RV for a little bit. And we might do some traveling here and there while we're, since we have a mobile home, literally.
Traveling home.
It's a traveling home, so
we'll get to see some cool places.
Yeah.
Jarrett, of course, is still working full time, and we've made sure that we have every secure connection and internet and router and the whole gamut.
It's all cellular based, but we are pretty good with it. We actually have 2 cell carriers for data plans, and they're pretty much unlimited. So we have the ability we can watch TV.
Yeah.
And I can do the work that I need to do from this RV without a problem. So it should work out great.
We spent a month in Bradenton. A lot of you know that my dad was really sick, and we spent a month there. And we got an opportunity to kind of test it out and just see how things would work for Jarrett working from the RV, and it's pretty fantastic.
Yeah, it works out great.
Yeah. So this will give us an opportunity to
He's still a puppy, by the way.
Oh, Lord, y'all. He's actually getting ready to start puppy school training. It's actually training for us, but...
Yes.
So anyway, so we just wanted to kind of tell y'all a little bit about our channel. So all of our friends and family, near and far, I know that you guys see us post pictures and things like that, and I know you follow our personal Facebook and Instagram and things like that, but we wanted to see if y'all would help us out. So we are going to continue to document our travels on YouTube. So our channel name is Hitch, Roll, Relax, because that's what we are doing to some capacity. So while I'm not working, I will be working on creating most of the videos. I shouldn't say creating them. We'll create together, but I will do the editing and things like that to the videos. But it would be a huge help if you could go to our channel, Hitch, Roll, Relax, smash that button for a thumbs up. Make sure you like the things that we're sharing, and comment below. That helps with our algorithm and things like that. Anything that you find interesting, questions you have, just keep contact. And the same thing with Instagram. We have Hitch, Roll, Relax on there as well.
Yeah,
So,
comments, likes,
comments,
subscribes,
likes,
all
hearts,
that stuff helps.
Yeah, all of that helps us out in the long run. So, and then of course you can find us on Facebook, Hitch, Roll, Relax. So all 3 of those social medias, if you can just give us a shout out, give us encouragement. Lord knows, RVs, you guys know, RVs are not made structurally to be, I mean, they're going down the road in what's like an earthquake, basically. And so, you know, we're along for the ride, and all the ups and downs and hills and valleys and adventure that we're about to embark on. And winters are not going to be spent in the cold states.
We'll be
we're
south.
Total Floridians. Yes, we will be south, and we're still gonna, you know, one of our primary goals is we're gonna be able to see family a lot more, and that's really important to us. And there's a lot of family that we haven't been able to see. Now, as for Michaela, although she's staying with my mom, we are our goal is to hopefully be able to see her during the month of May, which is her birthday, as well as her daddy's. And then also be in Bradenton for the month of December. We want to do that, A, to stay warm, but B, we really want to spend you know, those important holidays to us with family, and get a chance to really spend time with them, where it's not just currently we do like a quick turnaround in 24 hours when we do weekend trips, and it's a lot. It's kind of hard to really, you know, have that quality visit with them. So we will get to see Michaela at least twice a year, and then if it's possible and it works out with her schedule, we'll take her on vacation and fly her out to one of our destinations too, and get her a little vacation in too. So
Who knows? That could be Colorado. That could be California.
Look, Jackson
It could
Hole,
be Arizona.
Teton Mountains.
Oh yeah.
Look, there are
Yeah.
so many places that we have never been really west. He used to travel with his job, but Kayla and I have not been very far at all.
Yeah,
We've been
I've been all over the U.S. for the most part,
Yeah.
but you know, not places where I could get out and really explore. So this is going to give us an opportunity where we can stay in one place for a
Yeah.
long period of time, like a month at a time,
Yep.
and really explore the area and get to know it a little bit better.
I'm so excited, you guys. But listen, when I tell you the house is a train wreck right now, so we're looking to potentially, ideally our goal is to have the house on the market the first week of March. We're in January 2021, so we started cleaning out and weeding out. We have to make the big decisions. Do we keep this? Do we not? And Kayla, how's the house look?
It's giving my OCD a little bit of, yeah.
This might look okay right here, but if you move further to, let's see, further to our east,
Just about 10 feet, yeah.
it's a nightmare. It's like, it literally looks like a hurricane came through here. But we did secure our storage unit. We will have a storage unit because a lot of you know that I'm very passionate about my family, and so is
We both have
Jared.
a lot of stuff that we will never get rid of.
Yeah, there's a lot of family heirlooms that we'll continue to pass down, and that's important to us to keep. And then we also have some things we're keeping because we are still looking for a cabin, potentially in the North Carolina side. We haven't found what we want yet, but that is still very much on our radar, and we just want to make sure that what we find is 100% what we want.
Yep.
Because eventually that will be our full retirement place. So
Our sticks and bricks, as they call it
yes,
in the RV world.
yes, and so we're giving up our sticks and bricks, and we're gonna hit the road in the RV.
Do this RV thing for a little bit and see how it goes.
Yeah. So anyway, like we said, if you will, just give us some encouragement to us in our social media channels, and give a shout out to Michaela. Check in on her for us too, and make sure that she's doing okay. I know my mom and my sisters are going to take good care of her. Her aunts and her cousins will keep her very busy. But she's going to have a lot of studying, a lot of school, and she's got to find a job. Y'all know she babysits like crazy. She's got a very great Little Loves, basically like a business. But she's going to have to give all that up and find a healthcare job. That's ideally what she's looking for.
Yep.
So anybody in Bradenton know of looking for a part-time, I don't know, receptionist, file clerk?
Anything that pays.
Anything that pays. When are you going to be there? May. But you're...
So May, and then I graduate June, and then like mid-June I need to like have a job.
Yeah. So her schedule's going to be really hairy, as most of you who have gone through the graduate stuff. But she graduates May 9th June 9th she graduates, and
It's my birthday.
May 9th is her birthday, and then graduates June 9th, and then when you start school, like summer B at SCF is like 2 weeks later.
Mm-hmm.
So, man, it's just flying by, you guys. I sit here and I think about all those times I used to be like, gosh, I can't wait till she's grown up, and here she is. All right, so
Exciting news.
all the news is out now. You can say whatever you want now.
Nah.
Well, all right, so we love you guys so much. We're going to miss all of you very much, but we will always keep in touch, and you'll get to follow all of our adventures. We'll make sure that we are posting weekly. We're going to have updates on where we're at, where we're going, what we've done, and things about our RV, the good, the bad, the fun, the ugly. The adventure.
Yeah, we've had some
All of
pretty
it.
interesting times
Yes.
already, so
Yes,
we'll see how
we
the rest
have.
of it goes.
Go check out some of our videos. There's like what? I don't know.
We
We've
got
done like
about
11 or 12.
12, yeah.
And that's
videos so
just
far.
from weekending and things we've done to the RV, and there's a tour of our RV.
Yep.
They're pretty elaborate these days. So
Very
anyway,
nice.
we love you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye, guys.